Welcome everyone to today's step. It's going to be brief. Our data analytics step for today is focused on a question from one of our data enthusiasts. It is, what is Spotlight? How do we even use Spotlight, and even when? My name is Gabriel and I'm going to be your instructor for today. Let's get started. Quickly, we move straight to our business intelligence platform. This is Microsoft Power BI. It's one of the most powerful data analytics tools that you can ever get for analyzing large data and also sharing insights. Quickly, this is one of the dashboards I built some time ago. Look at this. This is the data model. This is a model behind the data, but another day we can discuss that. And this is the data. It is quite large. It has data over a period of time from 2015 to 2018. It's the sales data that we are going to analyze. And back to the dashboard. The dashboard does three main things. It analyzes the data over a 5-year period based on the years, the trend we have per the regional representative, what quantity of sales they are making, and also which day are we making our best or lowest sales. If you carefully look at the top here, if I click on this region, Greater Accra, you can see that the trend here, it goes up and it goes down. If I click on Upper West region, it goes up and it goes down. If I click on that, the same way, you can tell this is the regional reps, the quantity they were able to sell. And in the same way, I can click on the type of products that they were selling, the products that is the middle, the small, and the bingo. And that one also gives you all the trend. And down here. Now, the question is, what is Spotlight? Spotlight helps you to, it comes in handy anytime you're doing a presentation, when you're doing any kind of presentation. And there are times you want to focus on a particular aspect of your presentation, so your people can all focus on that and ignoring the other aspects. Assuming whilst I'm doing the presentation to my management team, I want them to focus on the trend, the sales trend over the years. What I have to do is go up to where you have the ellipsis and you click on the 3 dots. When you click on that, you see Spotlight, and that is easy. Bingo. It grays out all the other parts, and the chart you want to highlight, the chart you have chosen, is highlighted. By so doing, the people you are doing the presentation to can just focus on that. Then I can also just move the cursor on top of it and tell them that these were the sales we made in 2015, about 44,000, and by 2016 it came to like 37,000, and it shot up in 2017, and it had to dip in 2018. That makes your work easy. But the question is, how do you even go out of the Spotlight? When you click anywhere outside the grid, anywhere within the grid area, it takes you back to the original dashboard. I must say, it can be part of a bookmarking when you're using Power BI, but bookmarking will be a topic for another day. So let's go quickly. If I want to highlight on the Greater Accra weekly trends so that my people I'm presenting to can know, I just have to click on that chart and I move to the top right corner here where you see the ellipsis. You click on it and you can find Spotlight over there, and you can tell that everything here is grayed out and the weekly analysis is highlighted. So I can tell them that no, mainly on Wednesdays we don't do much sales, but it is on Fridays that we do much sales. So anytime you have any adverts to do, it is better we focus on adverts that will come in somewhere on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, because per the data for the 5-year period, Fridays and Saturdays we get most of our sales. That is so easy, an easy way to do your data analysis. Are you a data enthusiast? Are you learning how to use the Power BI platform? If you have any other question, just leave your comment below or send us an email and one of our data analysts will get back to you. Once again, my name is Gabriel. Thank you. See you in our next class. Bye.